G'day fellas, heading out now. Need to deliver some stuffs. Today's like Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll be getting ready for a Saturday shoot for Marlon. That Saturday shoot is going to start around 6:30 a.m. and ends at around 9:30. So it's going to be a full packed day. I need to prepare a lot of things now, and it's getting too bright. So I'm out in the city right now, and I'm out to pick up some things. And one of the things about my vlogs is that I just blabber a lot. I've reviewed nearly all of my footage. I just blabber a lot. Though the thing is, I like blabbering a lot, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I tried to look at it at a perspective of somebody else, and like it's annoying how you keep on blah, 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 blah. Anyway, that's just me. This is my vlog. That's fine. And it's a lovely day in the city right now. Like, look at the weather. It's so good. Yeah, just some construction stuff there, but yeah, weather's good. Still at Lilburg Street. I decided I'm gonna cut my hair, so yeah, just trim the sides. I'm just gonna leave the camera here. Okay, not much to report today other than I have my hair cut. I'm not really sure with it, but just hair gel maybe will make it look better. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, let's go home because I've done most of the things that I need to do, but I just need to edit some more stuffs. Maybe at home or in a cafe. Whoa! Maybe home or in a cafe, and then yeah, I'm gonna have to bring Laura to the office to get her company car. And yeah, that's it. Anyway, not much for today. Just love the weather a bit. It's cold, but it's not humid. Oh, forgot to tell you also. While I was driving on my way here, I saw a car. It was like a black thing in front of her on her bonnet. The thing is, I tried to go slow and just found out it was a phone on her bonnet. I tried to signal her and tell her there's a phone in your bonnet, but she was like, "What? I can't see anything." Yeah, I tried to check my bonnet. Like, yeah, sometimes you can't see things, but yeah, it was there, and she didn't see it, and I don't know if it's gonna fall, but I tried my best to tell her that, but it is what it is. So I'm back home right now, and I'm not prepared for this moment. I don't know what to say. I just want to tell you that I just had a haircut. I'm not really happy or fun with it, but it's a haircut. So yeah, now that we're here, okay, I'm gonna do a video another video with it. No, never mind. I'm gonna finish one of my videos, and I'm just gonna stay here, do that. So yeah. Also, I got my stash in the car. I'll try to take it out of the car, and I'll show you. That thing is just too noisy at the back. You might hear a beeping. I don't want to edit audio anymore, but you might hear beeping, so just no. So I got this. It's a box. I'm gonna open the box. Where's the... Yeah, it's here. Yeah. So I got my rolling table up here. I should put wheels on that table, that way it's gonna go roll. This thing here is just awesomely rolling. But yeah, let's start opening this shit. I sold my ZVE1 and used the money for some other payments, and then I got these. It's a bigger bag. You know, in bags. Okay, so this bag here, I was not really keen of getting one, but later on I realized that yeah, this is very useful. Got these. They're the Manfrotto Spinner 55. They're like airline luggages spinner, but when you open inside, let's see. And I got this at a very good price from Mark, because these ones just went skyrocketing. The prices went so high. Yeah, it's impossible to get good deals. But thanks to Mark, I was able to do a good deal out of it. Anyways, this just to... Let me just lower the light. So when you open it, I can use it for that. So yeah, switch the mic to this one, the old Rode Wireless Go, and yeah, here's the bag itself. It's gonna be, yeah. So it's like a spinner bag, wherein I'm just gonna put this somewhere. So yeah, that's ugly, but anyway, yeah. So the bag's like a spinner bag, like you see the bottom is like spinner wheels. So it's not that thick, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's just it's so light, and it's like 3 kilos or something. And the good thing about this bag here is that yeah, you can open. I haven't used it, so this is not a review. This is just an overview of the bag itself. You can open it up here. You can remove that, and you can put some stuffs in here. You can put your laptop in here, so it's an easy access for the laptop. You can open there, and you can get the camera. But I haven't placed a camera here. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can do a proper video about this bag because I'm feeling a bit lazy. But yeah, in the next few days when I've been loading. Okay, I was loading. What I'm trying to say is that in the next few days, when I'm getting comfortable with this bag here, or when I get used to this bag, I will be able to make a video, I think. But as of now, it's just overview. Just there are pockets here where you can put your MacBook charger or your card readers or any of your cards. You can get your camera here, easy access. And there's a laptop sleeve front. So if you're traveling, if you're bringing this as your luggage, your carry-on luggage, you can just put your laptop here, and on the check you can just remove the laptop from there. So it has these velcros that keep this cover up there, just in case if you don't want to open it up to the world. And yeah, it's like a hard plastic up here, and the back doesn't have a lot of protection, just this hard plastic, but it's fine because I think this it's gonna get gashed up, but if you're gonna put some material here, it might just make the bag heavier. I might put stickers to, I don't know, I'll see how it goes. Yeah, so there's some tags, and when you open the bag, I opened it earlier. There's a lock also here just in case. TSA. So if you wanna check that in. Yeah, so inside the bag there's like some pockets here, and some. Where's the access for this pocket? I don't know. Oh, there's no pocket here. Just a lower pocket. This one's like, nah. Oh, here you go. So yeah, some tripod thingy majiggies you can put in the side. So there's an access here. I mean, you can put things there. You can close it, and yeah, it's gonna look like this. And let's see what's underneath here. So this is the camera cube. So if you're not using it for your camera, you can also use this as your suitcase. So just like a normal suitcase where you put stuffs in it, and it's pretty cool. Let me just open up just to be sure. I can't find the zips. Should be from, whoa, where the fuck? Where's the zip? Oh, there. It's hidden in the seams, like the zips hidden that you can't even access it. That's, I don't know, that's good or bad. I can't even access it quickly. Let's see. Oh, it's facing the other way. Oh. Yeah, it's facing the other way. So it's like, oh, that's weird. So the zip is like facing the other way, and it's broken. So I know it's broken. Yeah, the zip is facing the inside. You can see it. The zip is facing the inside, and they don't have any lanyard that you can pull, like, oh, look at that. So look at that. The zip, zoom it in. So, yep. So the zip is inside, and yeah, there you go. That's weird because, yeah, just that has these. Yeah, so nothing much. Yeah, nothing much inside. Just this covering here, and yeah, you can't access it. Oh no, wait. This part here, I'm not liking the liner inside, but you're not gonna use it if you're not using the bag as a. This is starting to annoy me because there's nothing here. So I don't know if they did this on purpose, but this zips like facing the inside. Maybe they did. Maybe it's not meant to be opened. So that's it. Side one's like cool. So yeah, not much going on here. Okay. Cool. So this is the cube, and so this is the top. The zips from top. Open it, and it's gonna open this way. You can hide this underneath the bag and just have this open. So like, yeah, that's it. Anyway, that's it. So yep. Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, that's it. So, yeah, there are lots of reviews, there are lots of infos or videos about this online. Some of them are not very thorough though, but I'm going to try to test it. And if I'm satisfied, I'm going to do a review. If I'm pissed, I'm going to do a review maybe. But yeah, the inside, that thing that's a bummer. The liner, the zipper for the liner, it's facing inside. I don't know if they did that on purpose. And also there's nothing to pull the string down. But either way, it's not supposed to be open. It's supposed to prevent things from getting in there. So yeah, that's it. So in saying that, see you tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna start editing, doing some stuffs here, and yeah, that's it. Nothing much. So yeah, to all you who click this link just because of the bag, I'm gonna make a further review about it. As of now, I won't be able to like say things thoroughly. Just the first impression. So the first impression was the inside liner there, the zipper there. If you're gonna use it as a carry-on luggage, the zipper for the inside is, I don't know. Mine could be the one broken, or they're all broken, or like, no, it's not broken really. It's just facing inside, and there's nothing there to pull the zippers out. I don't know if it's in purpose, or I don't know. I don't know if I don't know. Anyway, yeah, and the material's good. It's not that heavy. The wheels are so smooth. Hopefully they still stay smooth. I can't even say it. The plastics on the wheels look not really strong. I hope they are. They look a bit flimsy, or I can break them, and I don't know. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Yeah, we'll see how we go.